Hi, I'm Bryer from Inline Hockey Training, and today I'm here with some tips on how I like to do my slap shot. 3 things I like to think about while taking a slap shot are 1, my hands. I like to lower my bottom hand about a hand length below where I usually hold the stick. Another is hitting the floor slightly behind the puck, about a puck length behind. These 2 allow me to get as much power as possible through my shot. And third, my feet. As a righty, I roll my left foot in front of the puck so it's right in between my stance when making contact with the puck. Meanwhile, I'm transferring my weight from the back foot to my front foot and rotating my hips and shoulders towards the net and keeping my chin up. Here it is all again in slow motion.
I got green peas on my left side.
Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Keep your eye open for more inline hockey training videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below.